legislator from the constituency itself have been raising this question, this issue actually, in the last budget session also, and in 2024 also. So, and this year an MOU has been signed with the Airport Authority of India, but I don't know whether it will actually take off or not, because not even a single piece of work has been done. And the government has given the assurance that it will be functional by April 2026. See, this airport has been in a poor state. It has been abandoned for 8 long years. It was inaugurated by President of India herself, Pratibha Patil. But in spite of that, it is not functional. I don't know how it got inaugurated, and that too with President of India. And after inauguration, it hasn't been taken off. So it's a very unfortunate and concerning and waste of public money that this project has not been taken up, and it has not been useful to the public, and now this government is using that airport as a venue for organizing programs like Megong Festival and other programs also. And this Megong Festival, it's a sponsor, I mean government sponsored program, but other organizations, non-profit organizations, they are also organizing concerts there. So it has become a venue for organizing this type of events.